Hi guys, today we've come down to Phuket to do a bit of shopping. We're in a big shopping mall. As you can see, it's absolutely massive. You can see everything behind us. We've got some massive figurines there, the ginormous. There's Jem and the gang. This place is amazing. So we're going to have a bit of walk around, do some shopping. We've just got a taxi here. A little tip for anyone if you're thinking of coming down to doing a bit of travelling. If you want to get a taxi, we've been jumping in like the little motorbike taxis and tuk-tuks. And everywhere we go it's like 200 baht. And we've just downloaded an app called Bolt. And it drove us for 45 minutes and it's cost 345 baht. So I gave him 400 baht, which is like a tenner. So for 45-minute drive, £10 in a taxi, where we've been paying £5 to go a mile down the road. So that's a little thing you've got to be wary of. I know it feels like you're being ripped off, but in the grand scheme of things, I mean, we used to pay £15 to get a taxi from Whitefield, where we live, to Manchester, and it's only 5 minutes down the road, and we pay, what, 13 quid? It'd be 5 quid to get on the bus. So it's not bad when you're getting in a motorbike taxi. You don't feel bad because you're giving them money. I know they're sort of like stinging you, but they're not, because it's less than what you pay at home anyway, so it's not bad. They shouldn't be doing it, but it's only a fiver. So we'll have a quick look. See what they've got in here. Oh look, Jem's in shop there. A Muay Thai shop. Very Muay Thai. Hello. Yeah. A little toy shop. Max is in his element. Hi mate. Hey. Oh, poppets. Give over poppets. You pop it mad. Loads of them. Just bin the loads to come here. Nice hat shop. What do you think, Jem? You gonna get a hat? Hey, sort your fuzzy hair out. Fuzzy wuzzy. Jem needs to get some hairspray today. That's why we've come down here, because we're going to the elephant park, so we need to get some like waterproof shoes, some what the class has, like scuba shoes. Yeah, we need like scuba shoes. Yeah, we need some scuba shoes, because going in the water with the elephants and you give them all a wash and everything. This place is amazing. Like we had the Trafford Centre near us in Manchester, but compared to this place, it's crap. It's very, very quiet though. I'll show you. So like you've got shark up there. This place is amazing. Walk around and we'll see what we can find, so we'll let you know. Getting out of a swing. Get up, I'm joking. This place has got everything. Go and get some food. Max is a bit hungry. Let's see what we've got. All of it's amazing. A lot of it's still closed. Whether it's because it's like off season, I don't know. But it is very quiet. Oh look, she's found bikinis. Oh, she's found bikinis. £300. 9 quid. Something like that. Oh, in fact it's less because 41 baht's a tenner. So 8 quid or something. Salad, try a salad. Hello. Try some of that. Shall I get some of that then?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes.
So we've just had some food, me and Max. We've just had some. What did you have? Chicken nuggets. He's splashing out. He's going all Oriental chicken nuggets. So we had some kapau kai. Go on, jump in. Go on. No, don't you dare. Come on, let's go. Watch the steps. Where's Mum gone? I'm going to get one of these coffees. I don't know where she is. Pancake corner. Let's get one of these. Oh. Hello. What's the coffee on the end? On the picture? Which one is it? And what flavour is it? Milk tea? Can I try one of those, please? Yeah? One, please, yeah. Max, come back. Yeah. Oh, got the coffee ordered. Look at this, nice. Looks like a sand sculpture, but I think someone's popped a hole in it, so I don't think it's real sand. You won't see him, he's over there on the playground. So I've just had a quick walk around and they've got all the different food places. We've got like Japanese, Korean, a lot of Thai stuff. And then there's not much Western stuff, like Maxie won't eat anything that's Asian, so we ended up having chicken nuggets with chips, but there was an Australian family, well 2 Australian families in front of us, so the queue was massive. But yeah, that's the thing when you come to places like this, don't expect to be having a lot of Thai food, well don't be expecting to have a lot of Western food. But they've got other shops in here, they've got a Boots in here, she's just seen Louis Vuitton, and yeah. Are you looking at Boots at the fake tan? Just keep an eye on it. Oh, they've not got it. Fake tan in Thailand, what's this one? Not real, is it? What? But yeah, they've got all sorts of stuff in here. They've got a big food. The food court's ginormous. I've walked down in a minute when I get my coffee, but look at the price of these things. So I've just paid 85 baht, which is like £1.20. I think if you got one of these at Starbucks or something, I don't know how much it'd be. So it's all different flavours. I've not, mate, no. Not got any coins. You got any? No. Oh well. Yeah, stand here.
Money for the car.
Gemma's found her spot now. Got all the big shops in here. Alexander McQueen, Balenciaga. Oh, you've got the Gucci. This place is amazing. So we didn't think we'd find all these kind of places here. We knew there'd be somewhere, but we usually like Bangkok or Rusa, but all the shops. You got Hermes, Louis Vuitton. So we'll go and have a quick look around, see what these shops have got in them, what do you reckon? So we're in the shopping centre, we've come to the second level and it's just like being in Selfridges. Great, got all sorts of stuff in here. Got all the regular shops where you'd expect. So if you fancy coming here and doing a bit of a shopping trip, you can. It's literally just like being in Debenhams, as Gemma's just said. She's in her element.
I'm not, I need to smith my
Oh,
hair.
we got Monica here. Bags for Gem. She wants to have a look over this section. Bags and shoes. You know what I like, women. Shoes. Alright, so we've been in the shopping centre. We've seen all the shops. They've got all the shops. If you're interested in coming to Phuket to do a shopping, there's a slide right there. Yeah, if you fancy coming to Phuket to do a bit of shopping, I recommend this place. It's brilliant. I'll put the name in the description where it is. Yeah, it's brilliant. It's got everything you could want in here if you just fancy doing a bit of a shopping trip or a holiday. And yeah, it's like going to the Trafford Centre, Gemma says. But, yeah, it's a lot nicer. The architecture is really nice. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We've got plenty more to come up. We're going to the Elephant Sanctuary tomorrow, so that should have a bit of good stuff. We've also booked all the islands, the PP Islands, all the good places to go. So we'll get the good action videos and you'll get all to see all the fancy stuff. This is great, but it just gives us something to do in between. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed, go and subscribe now, and we'll see you on the next video. Right,